Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can disable or turn off Facebook's two-factor authentication on your iOS or Android device using the Facebook application. Go ahead, open your Facebook application, log into your account, and make sure that the Facebook application is up to date. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. Now from here, you need to open the Account Center. Under the Login and Recovery section, you'll get three different options of Change Password, Two-Factor Authentication, and Saved Login. Go ahead, tap on Two-Factor Authentication and choose your Facebook account. Simply enter the password of your Facebook account first, and there simply toggle the section of Two-Factor Authentication, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.